This is my piece for you guys. Then go. Kiss the cheek. And then you kiss my lip.
Kaya, agad pa yung ng vitamin.
You got me the if I go.
Hi. So Bea is gonna show her fidget toys.
Yay!
Who wants a trade? First up, this lang one. Joke lang. The ano one? What's that?
Squishy mold maker.
A squishy mold maker.
Yeah.
And this one is the magic one. Oh my gosh. Let's put it here. And it's red, right? It's red. So it's yellow.
Why?
Pakita mo.
Again, it's yellow. It's red. Wow.
Pakita mo doon, puno ng laman.
So
Lemon.
next is this. Who wants to trade? Joke lang. It's only a joke. This is the puppet. Pop it. This one is the dinosaur one. Okay. Next up, the that's something. The slime one. Yeah.
It's a squishy slime.
Yeah, it's a squishy slime. And the next one is this one.
Okay, mommy, wait pa.
This one, the cookie prankster one. Like if you gonna like this it like this. Look, it's on the back.
How about our
There's
zipper?
a ano. Okay, and you're just gonna like this. And look, and you're gonna
Our
transfer it on the
zippers and a
back.
meter.
See? So which your favorite? And there's a Ferrero one.
It's not a toy.
Joke lang. So which is your favorite
This is
one?
the toy. This is both purple.
Hey, I'm gonna prank Bea. Bea. I'm gonna eat this.
Just eat
Look. See?
it. Ooh,
I'm gonna bring it back.
medium.
Oh, wow. What? Okay. This is red. Everyone see? Red. This is red, guys. So we're just gonna put it in this case. It's gonna turn yellow. See? It's yellow. Yellow.
You know the secret dice? Look. The present.
Oh my gosh. And this is the puppet one. You can pop it.
And this is yellow. It's your separate ways.
Kaya, andun na nga po yung toothbrush mo po.
Okay. Bye bye guys.
Yan.